warrant.
Chicago Police Search Warrant. Go.
Hey, horse the window. Higher. Horse the window. Higher.
Police! Hey, listen!
Chicago Police Search Warrant!
Jack, back him, go.
Cover window, cover window, cover window.
Hey, hands up. Hallway to the left, go.
What is going on?
Chicago Police Search Warrant, ma'am.
For who?
I'll explain that to you in a minute.
Well, there's nobody else here. I live alone. Who? I mean, what is going on here?
Clear.
You got the wrong house. I live alone.
For 1224.
Clear.
You got the wrong house. I live alone. No one lives here with me.
Take a deep breath. Relax, okay?
You're telling me to relax something you guys have just...
What's your name?
You got the wrong house. I live alone. No one lives here with me.
We're clear on everything?